So knowledge is the base, knowledge leading to understanding, and then finally the application of that knowledge, thinking about that knowledge and using that knowledge. Now, let me just give a very, very simple, trite example. I can remember from my dim and distant youth, the great Einstein theory, equation equals mc squared, energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. Now, I can remember that, but what does it actually mean? I haven't got the foggiest idea. How that relates to the atom bomb, how it relates to nuclear physics or particle physics, I have no idea whatsoever. I have knowledge, but I have no understanding. And unless you have knowledge, unless you have understanding, that knowledge is fairly pointless. And surely that would apply to all mathematical and scientific equations and formulae. You can learn them, but unless you know how to use them, when to apply them, they are fairly pointless. So knowledge must lead to understanding, and then hopefully we can encourage youngsters to think about that knowledge and to apply that knowledge. And hopefully, as the knowledge base improves and increases, so too will the understanding and the ability to apply that knowledge. So, for example, students studying a Shakespearean tragedy, some studying it at Key Stage 3, some at Key Stage 4, some in the sixth form, some at university, hopefully at each level, their knowledge will broaden. But hopefully also their understanding will deepen, and also their ability to analyse, compare, contrast will also increase. So knowledge is the starting point, but knowledge for understanding, and then hopefully students will have the ability to apply that knowledge and to think about that knowledge. But just a word of caution before we all scrap our curriculum plans and have a bonfire of the vanities. In an article that Spielman wrote in September 2018, she also stated that she did not believe in a pub quiz approach to curriculum. To apply skills and deepen understanding are essential ingredients of a successful curriculum. Now, those views are absolutely explicit in the current Ofsted Framework. Yes, the first bullet point refers to knowledge, but the second bullet point refers to knowledge and skills. Yes, it refers to remembering content, so yes, factual recall and retrieval of information. But the next bullet points talks about learners being able to use knowledge fluently, and also talks about understanding. So knowledge content is the basis, the core, and then hopefully we will encourage youngsters to think and to use and to apply that knowledge.